Hello, and the warmest welcome to the next section, Remote Authentication. Here we will learn to authenticate users remotely on a Linux system. Now we start this section with the video Remote Server Host Access using SSH. SSH, or Secure Shell, is a protocol which is used to log on to remote systems securely and is the most commonly used method for accessing remote Linux systems. To see how to use SSH, we need two Ubuntu systems. One will be used as a server and the other as a client. We will see how to use OpenSSH tool in detail. If the software to use SSH is not already installed, we have to install it on both the server and the client system. This is the command to install the tool. Next, we need to install the client version of the software. Set the password. For the latest versions, the SSH service starts running as soon as the software is installed. If it is not running by default, we can start the service by using this command. Now, if we want to log in from the client system to the server system, use this command.